Hi everyone, Mark Milton with Milton Law Group. We're here with another 5 on Fridays. This week we're going to talk about the 5 ways in which you might be able to resolve your IRS debt. Number 1, which you probably don't want to hear, is pay it in full. You owe the IRS, you have the income, you have the assets, and the ability to pay it in full. Pay the IRS in full. One thing you might want to think about is, do you qualify for penalty abatement, such as failure to file or failure to pay penalties? There is something called first-time abatement, which allows you to request abatement of failure to file or failure to pay penalties one time every 3 years if you're in compliance. So something to look at, but again, maybe you just pay it in full. Number 2, a payment plan. There are both full pay installment agreements and partial pay installment agreements available with the IRS. With a full pay agreement, you're agreeing to pay the IRS in full over a period of time, typically 72 months. With the partial pay, based on your financials, you say, I'm only able to pay this much per month, which is supported by your financials, and you pay that amount in perpetuity until either the debt falls off, which is 10 years for it to expire, or the IRS comes back and says, we want updated financials. Number 3, not collectible. Currently not collectible status is sort of the holy grail when you have a potentially expiring statute. So this means that based on your income and your allowed monthly expenses, you don't have the ability to pay anything per month. That could put you into currently not collectible status. The 4th option is the offer in compromise. We talk about that a lot. It's very difficult to get the IRS to just settle an IRS debt and walk away completely, but that's what you're doing with an offer in compromise. You're offering some kind of a lump sum or payment over time in exchange for the IRS basically wiping your debt clean. What I would encourage you to do is talk to someone who knows what they're doing and who's not just trying to sell you on the offer in compromise, because there are a lot of groups out there who will say they can get you into an offer in compromise, charge you a lot of money over a period of time, and then 18 to 24 months later, it's rejected and you're right back where you started. So be aware of those types of traps. Number 5, bankruptcy. Bankruptcy may provide an opportunity to discharge tax debt that's more than 3 years old, but it would have to be a Chapter 7 no asset bankruptcy. And again, talk to a professional about whether you might qualify. This is Mark Milton with another 5 on Fridays.